Enjoy nature-inspired glows and true tone illumination with the BioLite Alpenglow USB rechargeable lanterns. Available in 500 and 250 lumen sizes, these lanterns are ready for the backyard and the backcountry. Featuring Chroma Reel technology, Alpenglow's high-efficiency LEDs emit broad-spectrum light for accurate color rendering in low-light conditions. When using at night, Chroma Reel technology helps colors pop, textures stand out, and finishes have more depth and luster. It's especially helpful with nighttime cooking. In addition to warm or cool white settings, Alpenglow features color LEDs that are tunable to your taste. Select a single hue to your liking, or mix a blend for a nature-inspired sunset or sunrise vibe. Don't feel like choosing? Don't have to. Give it a shake, and the internal accelerometer will cycle through all colors continuously. Alpenglow is dimmable and features 2-panel control, so you can choose single-sided light to conserve battery. With both USB charge-in and charge-out, you can use your lantern as a backup power bank to charge devices, or connect to the BioLite SiteLight family for easy overhead lighting. Beautiful design, light that lets you set the mood or accomplish a task, and rechargeability that puts you in control of your energy. Discover the BioLite Alpenglow lanterns today.